palms here. Most beautiful, robust I've ever seen. Check this out right here. What's up, guys? James Palms here. Sunny and 75 today. I think it's the 29th or 30th of May today, 2024. And yeah, we're just beautiful looking palms. Gorgeous full sun kind of day. And I think I might have started it yesterday a little bit, but I don't know how well I got them. I'm going to put a chair against that tree. We're going to get some of these flowers here. We're going to clip off some pollen, and we're going to show you how to pollinate your female Trachycarpus fortunei windmill palm. Now, if you don't do anything naturally, some wind and some bees will get the pollen from those onto those female flowers. But we're going to go ahead and speed that up. And when we do that, when we take this and we dust the pollen inside on these flowers and we tap it against the flowers, this is going to ensure a really, really good viable seed, and good basically impregnate all these seeds so that they're all viable, 100% viable. So if you do it without doing this, I think it still grows the seeds, but you just won't be able to tell. They'll be much less viable. Some of them, I think if there was no male around, they'd actually be dud seeds. Now, I'll show you in a minute too out front, because out front, I have a female and a male, and the male out front, pollen's not really producing. So sometimes I guess they don't really produce great pollen. So yeah, these guys are looking good now. They're starting to come alive. So, but this one here makes amazing pollen. I tap these and it just fills your hand with pollen. So this one here has really big, a lot of flowers here, and it's even got other ones that are not far along. These ones here are ready to go. And those ones are ready to go. It's got a lot of flowers on it, and they're really good. So I just clip off one little part of it, so they still look nice. I like leaving the flowers out there. So we'll clip off some of those and we'll dust it on, and we're going to do some for the front female palm too, to why not impregnate it too. I'm gonna have thousands of seeds. I don't really need them, and I really don't know what to do with them all. I'm sure some of you guys will, but I might scatter them around. I might just germinate thousands of them in somewhere. I might just put an area where I'm just going to let them all grow. I haven't really decided what to do with all the seeds, but we'll harvest them when we do. Let's quickly see if we can show you guys how to do this. All right, so you got to get a pair of these little cutters and basically just cut off a little portion of the flowers here. I'm going to actually take this portion right here, and this is just as simple as cutting it off. And now you can actually see the pollen. You can actually see it. Sorry, I'll come over here. You can actually see it falling on my hand. It's actually all over the phone right now. So I'm going to drop these cutters here now. It's harder to do one-handed. We take these flowers over here. You can see the pollen coming off these like crazy. And now, ideally, you want to set a ladder up ahead of time. Now, look. See? You can actually see the pollen in the camera here. So this is like a pollen storm. It's dusting it. You can see it blowing towards the camera. This is all I do. And you can touch it on the ends of all these flower stalks. Look at that. That's a pollen storm in there. I don't know how much all you can see doing it one-handed, but look at my hand now. All that pollen. So just shake all the pollen inside there, and these are all like little receptors, and they're gonna collect it. Now what I'll do is I'll do this until that pollen over there from my male tree, until that pollen is garbage. I'm gonna do this a couple of times just to ensure. I'll do this like maybe tomorrow or the next day, a couple of times, until the pollen off, before it starts falling off. You'll know when these open up enough and they'll start falling off, then you won't be able to do it. But I'm gonna do it a few more times, and that way we'll ensure a great pollination. Well, these are all gonna swell up and make thousands and thousands of palm babies. So that's about it, guys. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's it. Somebody was asking me how to do it, so this is how I do it. I learned this from Banana Joe, and if you don't do it, I don't believe you'll get good germination. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Later.
Sing my night.